Hi, it's Faceless Tech. Got these absolute bonkers Teslas off eBay. Couldn't leave them there, £1.55 I think. From China. Got your ends that go into your multimeter. Got your crocodile clips. We got these, like claw, pretty cool. This is where it gets a bit crazy. You've got a micro USB plug. You can got it hooked up. Let's try it on my phone, and it does absolutely nothing on the scope there. Look, on the multimeter, absolutely nothing. God knows what it actually does, but yeah, it doesn't actually do anything. And you've got these two as well, which I'll show you in a minute. If you look, the standard battery, hook these up. See there, you got 1.39 volts. Do it with these claw ones as well. Get on in a minute. That's it. It's a bit stiff, this black one. Oh my god, it's broke. Jesus Christ. As you can see, gives the same ish reading. Then you try these crazy test leads, and it gives 93 volts. You know, what are these for really? So let's do the only best good thing and rip them apart. Got some nice Chinese characters on here, and then the other side it says best. Oh, it's registered trademark. Yeah, I can imagine that. There's 3 screws in here. I'm not gonna lie, I've had it open before I made this video. But I'd have a quick gander inside. And here it is, the test leads attached to the board. Then you've got your micro USB cable, which is attached there. And you got all the rest just randomly attached. There's a couple of resistors on the back. Not a lot to the board really. I'm just a bit confused, but you couldn't really leave it there at that price. £1.55 delivered. It is actually billed as a mobile phone repair cable. That's probably the logic for this, but it just, I don't know, no volts come out of your charge port. If you want, you'll leave a comment to see what it is, but anyway.